time to fight back against the negative effects of sitting all day. Try some neck rolls to combat neck strain. Sit up straight, lean your head forward, and rotate it around clockwise for 10 to 15 seconds. Then switch to rotating counterclockwise. You can also slightly lean your head to the side and press against your hand to work the muscles in your neck. Switch legs and repeat at will. Relieve stress on your lower back with a simple stretch. To give your back some relief, sit in your chair sideways, grip the top of the chair, and pull your body towards the back of the chair. Stand with your feet greater than shoulder width apart, bend your knees and explode back to a standing position. This will wake you up and keep your blood flowing. If you can't stand up, try pretending to run while sitting in your chair. Move your legs back and forth while moving your arms as if you were running. Simply tapping your toes in an alternating pattern can help you burn off a few extra calories and keep your heart in check.